Hello everyone, how are you today? Trust you are doing great. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how you can trade the binary options. I've been making consistent profits. There are so many people are losing money trading binary options because they do not have a strategy, they don't have the training, they don't know what to do, they don't know how to analyze the market, and so on and so forth. Alright, but if you know how to trade the binary options, you can be making consistent profit every day. You can invest $1, $2, $5, $10, and so on and so forth. Depending on your capital, it's advisable you invest just 1% of your capital. Alright. So if you are ready, let's dive in. Alright, so the platform I'm using is IQ Option. There are several other platforms out there like Expert Option, Pocket Option, and so on and so forth. So it depends on you. Alright, so IQ Option is one of the best out there. If you want to sign up with them, register, and then you'll be given $10,000 to practice. After practicing and after you get your training, you can start investing your real money. Alright, so the next thing you want to do is to select a currency to trade or an instrument to trade. After selecting the instrument to trade, then you determine how much you want to invest on every trade. It can be $100, it can be $5, it can be anything depending on the capital that you have, at least 1% of your capital. And then you select the expiry time to 1 minute to 5 minutes and so on and so forth. But for me, I like 1 minute expiry. Sometimes I do 5 minute expiry depending on the movement of the market. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to do a 1 minute expiry. Now I'm investing $100. Okay, no, let me just change it to $5 to $50. Let me change to $50. Okay, so I'm investing $50 this trade, and my return will be 86%. That's $43. Okay, so I haven't selected the instrument I want to trade, the expiry time, and the amount I'm going to invest. The next thing I'm going to look for a good opportunity to place a trade to invest my $50. And what I do is, the indicator I use is horizontal line, like this horizontal line. I place, look for support and resistance zones, and I take my trade, from support to resistance and so on and so forth. Some people have several indicators that they use, it works for them. But my strategy is I use horizontal lines, and I take my trade from support and to resistance zone. Alright, so what is happening here? You can see that currently it's uptrend. The overall trend is up, but now it's on the sideways market, and then it broke out of it broke out of this support, and this support is now resistant and is hovering around this resistance and support zone. You can see that it's been reversing around this area and also reversing around this area. Alright, so what I will do is to wait for it to get to support or resistance zone. Depending on the close of the candlesticks, then I'll place a trade. Okay, so my network is restored. So let's see where we are right now. Okay, so this is a good place to place buy trade, a buy trade rather. Okay, but we have to wait a little bit. You can see here it has formed head and shoulder, and it's going back up. It's 30 now, 1 minute. Okay, let's wait for it to get down a little bit. Okay, it's going back up. So if I placed the trade, the buy trade earlier on, perhaps I would have won the trade. But when you are trading, you don't rush into placing a trade. You have to be sure that the candlestick meets up with your strategy. Trade along with the strategy. Like I said, I always like to place my trade from support to resistance area. So it has gotten to this resistance, trying to break out of this resistance, but it might not break out because of the previous candlestick that will try to break out, but then we'll come back inside. But let's see, this one might be different, but let's see how it's will close. Alright, it's like it's going back up strong. If it closes above this resistance, then it's likely to continue to go up. but if it comes back and close inside, probably it will not continue to go up again. Okay, so it has closed. So consider the candlestick is strong, meaning the strength of the buyers are strong, so it might continue to go up. So if it comes back down a little bit, then I may have to place a buy trade. If it gets back down to this support, it has come back inside. I have to wait for this one to close as well. It has come back inside. Wow, see the strength of the sellers. Let's see. Let it get back down a little. Because of the strength of this candlestick, I wouldn't want to place a buy trade because it's strong. Suppose it's a weak candlestick, and then let me risk it to place a buy trade, but I have to wait. So in forex, you have to be patient. Okay, if you are patient, then you'd be placing good trades. Don't rush into taking a trade. Alright, so it has closed, and let's see. Okay, so I think I'll leave it. I don't want to take the risk. I'll look for another currency. This one, let's see. Euro USD. Okay, let's see. Place my horizontal line here. Okay. Go back to Euro JPY. Place my horizontal line here. Okay. So it's I'm pretty sure. Okay. Let's calm down a little bit again. If it gets back down to this support, I'll place a buy trade. Like the buyers here are strong, they're really pushing the price up. Okay. Get back down a little bit again. Okay, so I've placed a buy trade. Okay, so let's see. This is the buyer zone, buyer's area. So the buyers are likely to push the price to the upside. You can see previously it's been reversing at this area. Let's hope that the buyers will be strong here and they'll push the price back up to the upside. Let's check other ones. Okay, this one's up. This one. Okay. Buyers are pushing it up. It's going back up. Down, up. Let's see how. A few seconds left. So sufficient memory. So I've won this trade. Okay, so the buyers had the day. Okay, so I look for another trade. So this is my first trade, and I won it because I took the trade around this support zone. Alright, because I could see that the previous candlestick reversed at this point, so I believe that it's going to reverse, which it's reversed actually, and I think it's going to continue to reverse at this point. You can see that it's going up. Okay, the previous candlestick is weak. Let's see when it closes. It closes around this area, so I think it's going to go up. Okay. Alright, so I've placed buy trade. right? Because I think that the buyers here will be strong and then they will push the price to the upside. Okay, let's see. That's closed. Another one is open. Okay, there is we have the buyers here as well. Okay, so the buyers are here. So you can see the buyers here are strong, so they are the ones pushing the price up here again. Alright, so let's see, you can see how strong the buyers are at this point. They are very strong, so see, they're pushing the price up. So this place is really a strong area, and that was how I placed my trade. I placed my trade around support and resistance zone depending on what had happened around the zone previously, and the previous candlestick that closed what happened, few candlesticks before it, and then I placed my trade. So you can see that it's actually going up. Alright, so let's see. Okay, so I've won the second trade. Okay, so I'm looking for the final trade. Usually I like taking 3 trades really, and if I win the first 2 trades, sometimes I don't take any other trade again. Sometimes I take 3, but sometimes depending on the market movement, I can just decide to take only 2 trades, and then that will be the end of the trade for the day. Alright, so it has broken out of this support, this resistance, and my close about, the market has closed. Alright, market has closed, and this one market has closed. So I'm going to leave. I'm not going to trade because the market has closed for today. But US currency, I wouldn't want to trade this one because I don't like what I'm seeing. So I've taken 2 trades and I won the 2 trades. We are picking my trades from support and resistance zone. You too can do the same. Now, if you want a comprehensive training on how to trade the binary options and be making consistent profit, you can just leave a comment in the comment section, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to teach you, how to trade the binary options. Yes, you can be making a lot of money trading the binary options if you know what you're doing. Alright, so if I want to train you on how to do that, I will train you. Just get in touch with me. Drop a comment in the comment section that you're interested in the training, the binary option trading, and I'm going to give you a comprehensive binary options trading so that you can make a consistent profit. Alright, thank you very much for watching till this time, and I'm going to see you next time with another interesting binary option trading that will help you to trade and be making consistent profits. Kindly like, share. If you have not already subscribed, please do subscribe so that you'll be notified of my subsequent upload. So I'll see you next time.